You're Italian, right?
Yes, I am. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Street water on my face. There's definitely
football.
You dick. I'm gonna kick. That's disgusting. Urine in that. There's definitely urine in that.
Okay, I'm done. Mail time. I don't know what Two Blue S. I don't know what either of these packages are. This one has a battery in it. Examined by U.S. Customs Border Protection. I freaking love surprise packages. What is? Oh. Okay. I forgot I was getting this. Oh. Wow. Okay, so I don't know why, except last time I was at my bank, they're like, hey, you're a valued customer, so we want to give you an iPad. Can we give you an iPad? Obviously, I said, yes, bank, you can indeed give me an iPad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the iPad, maybe like draw on it or like Netflix. Point being, I got a free iPad. Nice. Woo. Whoa. Oh, nice. Okay, you know how for the past month I've been having terrible autofocus issues on this camera? The reason is I don't like this camera, but I broke my other camera. Here is my other camera. Guys, autofocus issues are officially solved from here on out. Wow, this looks so much better. I can actually tell for sure that my face is in focus because it has a flip screen and I don't have to guess, and it actually moves with my face. I'm so happy to have this camera back. Now all I need to do is get my really good camera fixed, and then I can switch to that, because this is, I mean, it's an okay camera, except it's like 7 years old, and I can just do better with the video quality. So Saturday afternoon, I was filming a vlog, searching for some shoes, and was originally gonna upload that on Sunday, and then obviously we got some extremely unfortunate news on Sunday, and I just didn't feel it was right to put that video up. But the fact that I was searching for the sneakers still stands, and instead of trying to explain my problems, I'll just take you back to Sunday and show you how hard these things are to find. I am going to a Reebok store that I've never been to before in my life, because believe it or not, I want to purchase a pair of Reeboks. Yes, strange, I know. I used to buy a lot of Reeboks. Like, I have all the old school Reeboks from the 90s. I'm missing a couple pairs, but they just don't really make shoes that I like wearing anymore, except for this pair. And yes, no helmet. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting it. It's not like in my habit to grab a helmet when I leave the door. Just to satisfy you guys, this should offer some padding, right? You guys have the Reebok flagship store on 5th Avenue does not have one of the most notable and memorable and popular Reebok releases of all time, and they just came out like last week. Weird. They were indeed not at the Reebok store, the only Reebok store in Manhattan, might I add. They were also not at Foot Locker, the Foot Locker flagship store in Manhattan. So we're gonna hit up a Foot Action, and hopefully third time's the charm, because I really want these shoes. Wow, so look what we got here. These all red, black patent leather toe cap, Reebok Questions. There's a whole bunch of Iversons. I mean, there's these, and there's these. But there's not the Reeboks we're looking for in here. That sort of sounded like a Star Wars quote. That was not supposed to sound like a Star Wars quote. Oh my goodness, this Jordan section is actually sort of amazing. They have the Jordan 1 Defiant, no swoosh. They have the Jordan 1 Gym Reds, which I'm wearing right now. They have the Jordan 1 Bloodlines. They have the Jordan 1 First Class Flights, I think those are called. The PSGs, the Michigans, the Atmos, not Atmos 3s, and the Black Cats, and the Camel ones are on sale. The Ray Allens are on sale, and then they have these on sale for $140, and the Jordan 4 What The sitting as well. These are, when these go on sale, I'm gonna buy a lot of those. Well, that was extremely disappointing. They don't have them there either. They don't have them at the Foot Locker I was at yesterday. They don't have them at the only Reebok retail location in Manhattan. I don't know where to find these. Oh, I guess I should mention what I am looking for. It's the Reebok Shaqnosis. These, they're absolutely gorgeous. It's a OG Shaq shoe from the 90s the Reebok put out. They retroed them back in like 2013. I didn't get a pair in 2013 because I was a broke teenager, but now I want a pair and I can't find them anywhere. Hey, that rhymed. Joe thinks he forgot his credit card at a restaurant last night.
Oh no, I'm pretty sure I did. I hope it's there. Tom wasn't there, but I went out with some friends and then paid for the entire dinner, which I usually try and do with my friends, and hopefully forgot the card there.
I can say I've never forgotten my credit card anywhere, ever. I don't think. I've forgotten my passport places. How do you forget? Did you just give it to the waiter and leave?
No, they collected the card before, because it was one of those hotel restaurants, and basically we got a little excited, had a couple of Pepsis, and now the card's gone.
Pepsi's is code for alcohol.
It's gone, I think it's just gone. I had it last night. I had it with me last night, but it's gone.
Did you find your credit card?
I did not find my credit card, so whoever did find it, enjoy it.
Joe's in the doghouse right now. His wife's really mad.
She is, because she can't use the card either.
We're getting ramen and Joe just informed me that I'm paying for both of us. I guess I should have seen this coming since he has no credit card.
Here's what I think happened. Let me tell you guys. When I was at the bar, right, having my Pepsi, there was a woman who distracted me by asking for directions.
By distracted, Joe means the girl was hot.
That is not true.
You better enjoy the fact that I paid for that.
I am actually. It tastes so much better the fact that you paid for it.
Moral of that story is lose your credit card, then ask your friend if they want to go to get lunch.